So I was getting ready to leave, and I checked my washer, and it's got 1 minute left. So I'm like, I might as well put it in the dryer before I leave. But it's taking forever. It's shaking too. Hurry up already! Get done! So I don't think I've ever ridden in the rain. I'm coming up on Harry T42's location. Not specifically, but you just take that road over there. And it'll take you to his streets. Don't know exactly where he lives, because that would just be stalkerish. So. But now I'm doing the second part to my amazing childhood. You know, I think I might just go to visit my elementary school. Yeah, I think I will. That's 4:25. And someday I'm going to be going and visiting my elementary school teachers. I have some of them are still there, which is surprising, but pretty cool at the same time. But let's see if they're still there, or let's see how my school's doing anyways. It might get a little windy here. And this is also, I don't know if I said this before, first time I've ridden in the rain. I'm trying to clear off my visor by turning my head. It's not even really raining. It's sprinkling. But yeah, so my elementary school is coming up pretty soon. There's a golf course over there called one of the country clubs. It's private, so of course you have to have a membership or know somebody who can get you in. Let's see here. Can't remember which road it is. I think it's the next one, not this one. Yeah. There we go. Oh, it's got some gravel. That's nice. Is this gonna be? There we go. Wasn't too bad. But I took the bus to get to my little school over here. Oh man. It's not like deja vu, but it's just like childhood memories going by here. That's a new house. That's really nice looking. School zone ahead. Woohoo! Yeah. I would take this road on my little oh my god. Isn't it weird when you come to like a play structure you used to play on every day of your life? Ooh, bump. Shoot. There we go. And it used to look huge to you. And now, not so much. It's the tiniest thing I've ever seen. Oh, it's a tiny school too. That was the gym back there, that white building. Don't really know what's up there. The kindergarten room right there, at least that's what I remember it as. Looks like there's some... What I remember, those three classrooms right there were first, second grade. I had the one on the end. It's all dark right now. And yeah, it's sprinkling a little bit. Gosh. I remember it so well. I really do want to come back and visit my teachers, but I'm pretty sure most of them aren't here right now. I'll have to do that later, at like 3 o'clock. Because right now it's almost 4:30. But yeah. It's really tiny. Those are still the same play structures that I had. They were new when I first went on it. And there's a little forest entrance over there. Because I grew up in Oregon, we played a lot in the forests. And I had a lot of fun. Yeah, I'll have to come back. Uplands Elementary School. Never forget that place. Spent all 6 years there. But now I will probably cut to the next section of where I used to live and go to that school. Because it's kind of far away. Or I might just be talking the whole time. I don't know. It really depends on what I want to do. But I'm going to have to turn left here onto a busy street. Excuse me. There's a lot of cars. Cars. So while I'm waiting, Pitamus